First, visit the official X-VPN website at xvpn.io and open the Chrome extension download page. Click Get it from Web Store, and you'll be redirected to the X-VPN page on the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. A permission pop-up will appear. This is standard for VPN extensions. Click Add Extension to continue. After installation, click the Extensions icon in the top right corner and select the X-VPN extension. You'll see a privacy overview explaining X-VPN's No Logs policy. After reviewing it, click Agree and Continue. Click See All X-VPN Plan to upgrade to Premium or sign in to your existing account. Or click the back button to access free servers with unlimited data. No registration required. Click the Connect button. Your Chrome browsing is now private and secure with X-VPN. You can also open the menu in the top right corner to explore advanced connection and security features. Both the kill switch and WebRTC blocker are included for free. With the premium plan, X-VPN offers over 10,000 servers across 80+ countries and 250+ locations, optimized for security, streaming, unblocking, and gaming. To explore everything X-VPN has to offer, visit the features page at xvpn.io. Get started now and enjoy a safer, faster, and more private online experience with X-VPN.